This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the image in Develop and making a virtual copy so original data stays safe. Confirm resolution and crop to the intended framing, and zoom to 100% to inspect blur. Once done, disable any global sharpening so you can apply controlled fixes. This prevents over-sharpen artifacts. Make sure to note whether blur is motion blur, focus blur, or softness from noise reduction. Each needs a different approach, and that identification guides the next corrective steps. Now apply targeted sharpening. Increase amount modestly, set radius low for fine detail and push detail for edge clarity. Always preview at 100%. Once you have a baseline, use the masking slider while holding Alt or Option to isolate edges so skin and skies stay smooth. Then add small amounts of texture and clarity to recover mid-frequency detail. Be careful, because too much creates halos. These steps restore perceived sharpness without amplifying noise or creating unnatural edges. Finish with local corrections. Paint with the adjustment brush set to sharpen, or add a high-clarity radial filter for subject emphasis. If those areas look grainy, back up and apply targeted noise reduction in the detail panel before sharpening again, because noise amplifies when sharpened. Once satisfied, export with Lightroom's output sharpening preset for screen or print and check the image at final size. If blurring persists, try the dehaze brush for low-contrast blur as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.